Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 4th of July photo props is probably one of the most exciting ways to capture the spirit of Independence Day, transforming ordinary snapshots into vibrant, patriotic memories that will be cherished for years to come, making every moment a celebration of freedom and fun. Number 5. Red, White, Blue Foil Fringe Curtains, 3-pack. Add a patriotic touch to your celebrations with these vibrant red, white, and blue foil fringe curtains. They are designed to last and bring a shiny, festive flair to any event. This package includes 3 foil fringe curtains, each measuring 3.3 by 6.6 feet. They provide a wonderful backdrop, perfect for creating memorable photo opportunities. Applying these decorations is a breeze. Simply peel off the adhesive tape and stick them to any surface, like doorways, windows, or walls, for instant party ambience. These shiny tinsel streamers are ideal for a variety of patriotic holidays and themed parties. They serve as a beautiful backdrop that enhances any festive occasion. Use them for Independence Day, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, or any event needing an American theme. They are also great for ceremonies, stage backgrounds, and showers. The striking red, white, and blue color scheme creates an authentic American atmosphere. They are the perfect finishing touch to elevate your patriotic celebrations. What we like. These foil fringe curtains create a dazzling patriotic atmosphere. They are incredibly easy to hang, making setup a breeze for any event. If you're looking to create a vibrant and eye-catching photo backdrop for your 4th of July party, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardboard and are easy to assemble. The variety of props included is great, with many different designs and sayings. These props are a fun addition to any 4th of July celebration and make for great photos. Number 4. 7 Goss 27 PCS 4th of July Photo Booth Props. Get ready to celebrate the 4th of July in style. These fun props are perfect for your Independence Day party. This set includes 27 card props, sticks, and adhesive for easy assembly. You'll have everything you need for a fantastic photo booth. Make your patriotic party unforgettable. These decorations are sure to be a big hit with your guests. It's simple to put these together yourself. Enjoy a fun DIY experience as you prepare for your celebration. Create lasting memories with hilarious and festive photos. These props will add joy and excitement to your party pictures. What we like. This set offers a generous 27 pieces of photo props for your Independence Day celebration. Assembly is straightforward, allowing for a fun DIY activity. If you want a wide variety of classic patriotic props to engage your guests and capture memorable moments, this is a great option. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardboard and are easy to assemble. Great variety of designs and colors, perfect for a festive atmosphere. The included sticks are strong and hold the props well. Number 3. USA Sales 4th of July Photo Booth Props. Get ready to celebrate the 4th of July with these festive photo booth props. They're the perfect way to add some fun to your Independence Day party. These colorful props come conveniently attached to sticks, so you can start using them right away. No DIY or assembly required, just pure enjoyment. Keep your guests entertained and capture unforgettable memories with these unique decorations. They're sure to be a hit at any gathering. Make your party stand out with these special props. They add a unique and memorable touch to any celebration. Crafted from high-quality cardstock paper and sturdy wooden sticks, these props are designed for durability and fun. What we like. Forget the hassle of assembly, these props come ready to use right out of the package. Crafted from premium cardstock and already attached to sticks, they ensure a stress-free experience. If you prioritize convenience and want immediate fun for your guests, choose this set for guaranteed memorable photos. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardboard and are easy to assemble. The variety of props included is great, with many different designs and sayings. These props are a fun addition to any 4th of July celebration and make for great photos. Number 2. Funny 4th of July Photo Booth Prop Kit. Get ready to capture unforgettable moments this 4th of July. Our photo booth prop kit is here to add extra fun to your Independence Day celebrations. Setting up is a breeze. Simply attach the props to the sticks and you're ready to create hilarious and memorable photos for everyone to enjoy. These props are perfect for both adults and kids. Everyone will love the witty sayings and festive designs, making your party photos truly shareable. Beyond photos, these can be used as unique centerpieces or to add a festive touch to your candy buffet. They even work as fun directional signs. Professionally printed on durable cardstock, these props offer a no-mess glitter effect for maximum sparkle. They are ready to assemble right out of the box. Designed and manufactured with care in our Wisconsin facility, these props are a proud part of American-made quality for your festive celebrations. What we like? This kit features 10 unique props with humorous sayings perfect for the 4th of July. They are professionally printed and made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you want to add a touch of wit and fun to your photos, and appreciate domestically produced goods, this is the set for you. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardboard and are easy to assemble. The variety of props included is great, with many different designs to choose from. These props are perfect for adding a festive touch to any 4th of July celebration. Number 1. Firecracker 4th of July Photo Booth Prop Kit. Get ready to capture unforgettable moments this 4th of July. Our photo booth prop kit is here to add extra fun to your celebrations. Setting up is a breeze. Simply attach the props to the sticks and you're ready to create hilarious memories with everyone. These props are perfect for both adults and kids. Everyone will love striking a pose and sharing laughs with these entertaining designs. Beyond the photo booth, use them as festive centerpieces or to decorate your candy buffet. They add a touch of patriotic flair anywhere. Crafted from high-quality cardstock, these props are professionally printed and ready for assembly. Proudly made in the USA. Make your Independence Day photos truly special. These props are designed to help you create lasting memories with friends and family. What we like? With 20 pieces, this kit provides a wide array of fun designs, including masks and speech bubbles with funny faces. While it requires simple assembly, the variety is excellent for engaging both adults and kids. If you're looking for a diverse and entertaining prop selection for a lively party, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The props are made of sturdy cardboard and are easy to assemble. The variety of props included is great, with many different designs and sayings. These props are a fun addition to any 4th of July celebration and make for great photos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.